In this quick case study, we have built the same workflow with two different tools. I'll show you the first one, which I've got up on the screen here, where we have built it from scratch, and then I will show you how we've built it with tools that you probably already have available on your computer. So this is a process where it's made for a construction company that is onboarding a new contractor, and there's always lots of paper to chase around and licenses to verify and things like that. So this is an app that we coded to build it, custom build it, using a lot of the AI assisted coding tools, so it's far more cost effective and efficient to do these things than it once was. So the front end of it is a form where the link gets sent to the contractor and they fill out their details, they put in their license number, their contact details, all that sort of thing. Then once that's been uploaded, it automatically then goes and checks their license number against the fair trading register for that license. So we're using the API into the government data and double checking that it is the right license and it's been verified. That can take a couple of minutes to do. Then from there, once it's been verified, it then emails a bunch of documents out to the contractor to sign, also emails them a video to watch and tracks whether they've watched that video or not. Then once they've done those things, then they all come back in and it says, yes, they are now approved. This is where we send out the video. I was one step ahead of myself. They're now watching the video and it's got tracking active to make sure they actually watch the whole thing, not just opened and shut it. And then once they have done that, they now get added to the approved contractors list with their license number and their details and their trades and where they're working, etc. So then the hiring manager can just go and check the list and go, who have I got approved? How many have we approved this month? Who's still in the pipeline? Who's allowed to work on what sites and what's their license number and what's their status? So nice and easy. Now, if you don't want to build something from scratch though, let me show you just quickly what you can do with, what do they people say? Ingredients that you already have in your pantry. So this is the Microsoft version, which if you have got Microsoft 365, then you have already got Power Automate on your computer. It was part of Windows 10 or something, I think, one of the old ones anyway. So this is built for a corporate who are saying, no, we don't want you to use just random apps. We want you to stick to using our enterprise software. So Excel, Teams, the things that are already built into our Microsoft suite that we've approved. So step one is we build a form in Microsoft Forms. So same front end as before, same questions get answered. Then step two is we build pretty much the same workflow as we had done in the app that we custom made. Power Automate has AI integration again into any place, any software that's got API access, you can access through Power Automate. So state government has it in pretty much every piece of data that they've got. So we've used the Microsoft AI Builder to go in and verify the license number with fair trading by checking directly in their database, is this the right number, does it match the person, and is it current? Then from there, those steps have all happened. That automatically, like with the other ones, sends out documents for them to sign. This time it's using DocuSign though, rather than a custom built app. And then when they come back in, it saves them automatically to SharePoint. And it sends a notification to the hiring manager and teams to say that this person has now completed their onboarding, and then adds them, it says, here's the team's notification. They can go and look at the details in SharePoint if they want to see all the documents. And then they get added to an Excel spreadsheet, in this case, of who's approved. So same details as before. One is custom coded, so you can make whatever adjustments you like to it, or things that may be missing from the Microsoft tools. But these days, if you are enterprise and you are worried about data security and you're wanting to just use the platforms you've already got, you can do all of these things just in Microsoft.